Hey team, it's your manager Alex Johnson, and today we're diving deep into the art of closing sales. Not just talking about the basics, but how you can use cutting-edge techniques right now to seriously level up your sales game. We're talking about impressing clients, boosting your sales numbers, and maybe even sneaking in a few extra minutes for that coffee break. And trust me, you don't need to be a tech wizard to make this happen. Over the next few chapters, I'm breaking down 10 powerful sales techniques and tools that can transform the way you close deals. We're talking automation, data analysis, predictive tools, and a whole lot more. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to unlock the future of sales success. All right, let's kick things off with everyone's favorite topic, automation. We're talking about ditching those tedious, repetitive tasks that eat up your time and drain your energy. Think about all those spreadsheets you have to update, those emails you have to send, those reports you have to generate. Boring, right? Well, AI can handle all of that for you. There are tons of AI tools out there designed to automate these routine tasks. You can literally train them to do your work, freeing you up to focus on the stuff that actually matters. That means more time for strategy, more time for creativity, and more time for, actually getting things done. Now, let's talk data. Every business has it, mountains of it. But turning that raw data into actionable insights, that's where things get tricky. But guess what? AI can be your data guru. We're talking about AI algorithms that can sift through massive data sets, identify patterns, and extract meaningful information. Imagine being able to predict customer trends, optimize your marketing campaigns, and make data-driven decisions, all thanks to AI. That's next-level stuff. And the best part? You don't need to be a data scientist to take advantage of this. There are user-friendly AI tools out there that make data analysis accessible to everyone. Alright, so you want to be that employee who's always ahead of the game, right? AI personal assistant tools are your secret weapon. I'm talking about scheduling meetings, organizing your inbox, setting reminders, basically all that tedious stuff nobody wants to do. Think about it. Instead of spending hours buried in your calendar, you could be focusing on the bigger picture. These AI tools are like having a super efficient assistant who works 24/7, making sure you never miss a beat. And the best part? Many of these tools integrate seamlessly with the apps you already use. So, whether you're a Gmail guru or an Outlook aficionado, there's an AI assistant ready to streamline your workflow. Trust me, once you go AI assistant, you won't go back. In our next lesson, we'll learn how to create an AI personal assistant. Okay, let's talk about the future, or at least predicting it. Predictive analytics is where AI really starts to feel like magic. Imagine being able to anticipate market trends, customer behavior, even potential risks, all before they happen. That's the power of AI-powered predictive analytics. By analyzing massive datasets, these tools can identify patterns and provide insights that would take humans ages to uncover. It's like having a crystal ball, but instead of vague predictions, you get data-driven insights to back up your decisions. Now, this isn't about replacing your gut instinct. It's about giving you that extra edge, that ability to make informed decisions based on real-time data. And in today's fast-paced business world, that kind of foresight is invaluable. We all know customer service is key, right? But handling a constant stream of queries and requests can be overwhelming. Enter AI chatbots and virtual assistants. Now, before you imagine those clunky bots from the early internet days, hear me out. These AI-powered tools have come a long way. We're talking natural language processing, personalized responses, and 24/7 availability. They can handle basic queries, schedule appointments, and even escalate complex issues to human agents seamlessly. The result? Happier customers, and a less stressed-out support team. Plus, these AI tools can gather valuable data on customer interactions, giving you insights to further improve your products and services. Alright, so you've got presentations to make, reports to write, maybe even some marketing copy to crank out. It's the future, and who wants to spend hours on that, right? That's where AI steps in to, let's say, enhance your workflow. We're talking AI tools that can help you generate content faster and honestly, sometimes even better. Think about it. AI can analyze tons of data, understand language, and even mimic different writing styles. Need to put together a killer presentation? AI can help you structure it, suggest relevant visuals, and even write compelling bullet points. Got writer's block on that big report? AI can analyze your data and summarize key findings in a clear, concise way. And hey, it's not about replacing your creativity, it's about giving you a head start. You bring the ideas, AI helps you bring them to life. It's like having a super-powered writing assistant without the awkward small talk. Let's face it, staying ahead of the competition is key in any business. You need to know what they're doing, how they're doing it, and what customers are saying. Sounds like a lot to keep track of, right? Don't worry, AI's got your back. Think of AI as your personal intel agency for the business world. AI tools can monitor your competitors' online activity, track their pricing changes, even analyze customer sentiment towards their products. But it's not just about keeping tabs on the competition, it's about uncovering insights that give you an edge. AI can analyze market trends, identify potential disruptions, and even predict your competitors' next move. That means you can make smarter decisions, adapt to changes faster, and ultimately, stay one step ahead in the game. It's like having a crystal ball, except this one's powered by algorithms, not magic. We've all been there, stuck in a rut, dealing with inefficient processes that seem to suck the life out of productivity. But what if you could streamline your workflow, eliminate bottlenecks, and make everything run smoother? Well, you guessed it, AI can help with that too. Let's break it down into steps. Step 1, identify the repetitive task. Step 2, gather data related to the task. Step 3, choose an AI tool suitable for the task. Step 4, train the AI model with the gathered data. Step 5, implement the AI solution. Step 6, monitor and optimize the AI performance. Step 7, evaluate the results and make necessary adjustments. By following these steps, you can ensure that AI helps you achieve significant efficiency gains. That means less time wasted on tedious tasks and more time to focus on what really matters, growing your business. And the best part, AI is constantly learning and adapting. It's like having a continuous improvement team working 24/7 to make your business run like a well-oiled machine. Alright, so we've talked about all the awesome things AI can do, but what about the not-so-fun stuff like risk? AI can be a game changer here too. It's really good at spotting patterns. Those patterns can reveal potential problems before they happen. For example, banks use AI to analyze loan applications. It can pick up on subtle red flags indicating risky borrowers. In cybersecurity, AI detects unusual activity and prevents breaches. In supply chain management, AI predicts disruptions and helps companies adapt. AI is like a superpowered crystal ball for risk management. Okay, so we've covered a ton of ground here. AI can automate tasks, analyze data, predict the future, and even help us manage risk. But can it do something truly groundbreaking? Can it actually be creative? Now, this is where things get really interesting. For a long time, creativity was seen as something uniquely human, something AI could never replicate. But the lines are starting to blur, my friends. We're seeing AI compose music, generate art, even write scripts. Hopefully this one's better than what AI could do, right? Now, before you panic about robots taking over the art world, remember, AI is still a tool. But it's a tool that can push the boundaries of what we think is possible. Imagine feeding an AI all the works of Mozart, and then asking it to compose something new in a similar style. Or giving an AI a set of design parameters and letting it loose to come up with completely novel product designs. This is where the real magic happens. AI becomes a collaborator, a partner in the creative process, helping us to think outside the box and come up with ideas we never could have imagined on our own. So there you have it, 10 ways AI can help you absolutely crush it in the workplace. From automating those tedious tasks to unlocking new levels of creativity, AI is changing the game. And the best part is, this is just the beginning. If you're ready to dive deeper and really master the art of AI prompting, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And don't forget to check out the next lecture in our free Mastering AI Prompts course, where we'll be building custom AI prompts step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Pause 2S. Let's delve into how AI can assist you in preparing a stellar sales presentation. Imagine you're gearing up for a crucial meeting. Here's a step-by-step process to prepare a sales presentation on closing a sale. Start with a strong opening to grab attention. Introduce yourself and your company. Understand the client's needs. Ask questions to understand their pain points. Present your product as the solution. Explain how it addresses their needs. Use data and case studies to support your claims. Highlight unique selling points and ROI. Handle objections confidently. Summarize key points and ask for the sale. Offer incentives to encourage a decision. Discuss next steps and ensure client satisfaction. Use ChatGPT to get a detailed outline and tips. Personalize the presentation based on the client's needs. And there you have it. Thanks for sticking around. See you next time.